In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. Whether you're crafting a stunning presentation, putting together an engaging social media post, or designing any project where a video element could add some extra flair, embedding a YouTube video can really enhance your design. I'll guide you through this simple process, providing a few tips along the way to ensure a smooth experience. First, let's start by accessing Canva. Go ahead and open your project or create a new one, whatever you prefer for today's tutorial. Once your workspace is open and ready, look over to the left menu where you'll find a host of options that are incredibly useful for your design project. Now here's where the magic begins. Find the Embed button. It might be nestled within a drop-down menu or directly visible depending on the version of Canva you're using, but rest assured it's there. Clicking on Embed opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to incorporate external media, like our YouTube video, directly into your Canva design. Next, you need to have your YouTube URL ready. This is simple, just navigate over to YouTube and locate the video you want to embed. Copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. This is the link you'll be pasting into Canva. With your YouTube link copied, head back to your Canva project. You should now see an option within that embed section to either paste or enter a URL. Go ahead and paste the link into the designated area. You've done the hard part, so great job. Once your link is successfully pasted, there should be an option to add to design. Click on this button. What this does is start the process of embedding the video directly into your canvas, aligning itself seamlessly with your existing design elements. At this point, the video should appear within your design, positioned as a movable and resizable element. Feel free to drag it into place or resize it by dragging the corners until it fits perfectly within your layout. You might want to adjust the size to complement other elements on your canvas or to make the video the focal point of your design. Remember, you can always undo a step if something doesn't look quite right and try again until you're satisfied. And there you have it, your YouTube video is now embedded in your Canva design. This feature is really handy, opening up new avenues for creativity and engagement, making your presentations or projects that much more dynamic. So, go ahead, experiment, and bring your ideas to life with this straightforward embedding process. As always, thanks for watching, and happy designing.